We're going vertical. We're going vertical. Nothing's falling. How freaking cool is that? Do you ever feel misunderstood by your family? For some reason, my wife thinks I am obsessed with tools. I am not sure at all where she gets there. But magically, this new package arrived from VEVOR. I do have to tell you, they provided this to me, but they give me no instructions. They don't need to because I've used so many of their tools before. Actually, let me show you the first thing that's so freaking cool about this. If you've ever bought these kind of cases and kits before, you know what happens when you open them up, especially if you don't have them laying down when you open it up. How about that? One single one was loose. All of the rest of them stayed in place. That's how cool this is. And look at how much stuff is in here. So let's talk some of the basics first. Look how nice these look in black with the gold writing on them. Super clear, etched in there. Really nice. I believe they're actually painted. Don't say they're not actually etched. I think they're actually painted. So I'm going to be fair about that. Let's start here and work our way over just so you know what to expect. You got Torx fittings. Those things are super cool, more and more popular. Oh, you hear how positive that sounds? More and more popular all the time. You have 3 different extensions, 4 extensions, including a massive, well, it's marked 15-inch extension, 3/8 inch extension. That's really nice. You got a converter from 3/8 down to a 1/4 inch mount for like your powered screwdriver, that kind of thing. A nice converter there. And one of my favorite things about this kit is even with the extensions, it has them with the swivel head. How freaking cool is that? So if you can't get directly on something, you can get a little angle on it and still be effective fixing it. While we're talking about that, check this out. Let me just grab this one. 3/4 inch socket. Look at how you can angle it. It is so freaking cool how that works. For the swivel head ones, I have everything from 8mm all the way through 19mm, all the common sizes, right? And then 3/8 all the way through 3/4 of an inch. Now, not only do we have those swivel head ones, you have, I already showed you the conventional deep sockets, which are the same spread. Oh wait, this might be even more. This one bounces down to 6mm, so we got 6mm all the way through 19mm on the deep socket. We got 1/4 inch all the way through 3/4 on the deep socket, then the same spread on the shallow sockets, and then finally, we're not done yet. I've actually only seen these on my Jeep. When you're removing your hard top, you'll run into this. This is an E16, which essentially is the opposite of a Torx, like a bolt with the inverted Torx, that spiky thing on the top. Let me show you. Torx socket, E. Right? Don't ask me how these numbers work, but here is the T55 Torx, and here is that E14, but fits perfectly, right? So if you have bolts with heads that look like a Torx socket, these will work on that. So, just because it's so exciting to be able to do this, I'm going to do this one more time. This is dangerous in a video. I haven't tested this, but I'm going to attempt to close this without securing anything. We're going vertical. We're going vertical. Nothing's falling. How freaking cool is that? Yeah, you can't possibly go wrong with this ridiculously cool socket and extension set. Everything in the world is in here that any little boy could generally want to use. It is mounted in here so securely. That is so nice. Great that you can just throw it open anywhere. You don't have to worry about the crap going all over the place when you open it. If you want to get this, there's a link on the screen right here or down in the description. Helps out the channel a little bit, but doesn't cost you anything extra, so I'm going to say thank you in advance if you could do that. While you're here, I hope I've added some value to your life, enough that you'll give this video a thumbs up, maybe share it with your friend. And if you do have any questions about it, feel free to put them in the comments. I'll try to answer them for you. Thankfully, I don't have to find a parking spot for it in the full toolbox because this is self-enclosed. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.